السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. أهلا وسهلا مرحبا بكم إلى قناتي. معكم أخوكم أبو جندل. Welcome you all back to my channel. With you is a brother Abu Jandal. Inshallah al Karim. Today we shall continue with our Arabic lessons on the book Medina Arabic course, also known as الدرس اللغة العربية لغير ناطقين بها. And the lesson of today is الدرس الحادي عشر. Alhamdulillah, we've gone far. For those of us who have not been able to get the hard copy of this material, it is important for them to click on the description box in order to download the PDF file provided over there. We ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to grant us the understanding of this beautiful language. Today we shall be learning quite a lot of things under this lesson. The first is fihi and fiha. We've learned previously that fi means in, and it is a preposition harful jar. Today there's an addition of who and her, which means fihi, in it or in him. Then fiha, in her or in it, from feminine words. So we'll be learning the usage of fihi, in it, and fiha, in it. We're also going to learn uhibbu. When I say uhibbu, what does it mean? It means I love. Uhibbul madrasa. I love this school. Uhibbu madrasata. I love this school. And we know that the word coming after the uhibbu will be in the accusative case carrying fatha at the end, like uhibbul madrasata, uhibbul walada. I love the boy. Except for words which already have attached to them the first person pronoun. For example, ummi, my mother. Ummi, my mother. When I want to say I love my mother, I simply say uhibbu ummi. I will not say uhibbu umma or uhibbu ummiya, because ummi is already having an attachment of ya, which is ya wal mutakallim. Therefore, we say uhibbu ummi. The fatha, which signifies the maf'ulun bihi, the accusative case will not be shown on such words ummi and abi or akhi, uhibbu akhi. We're going to learn from this possession, like baiti, my house, possession by the first person. When I say kitabi, my book, baiti, my house. Previously, we had learned kitabuhu, his house, kitabuha, her house, kitabuha, your house. So we're going to learn this in this lesson. Let's quickly dive into it to see what is embedded in. The first, we can see baiti, which means my house. What is attached here? The ya, originally it is baitu, baitun, a house. When I want to possess it by myself, I simply say baiti, my house, baiti, my house. Any other noun you want to possess, you can simply add the ya to it. Like you can say madrasati, my school. Do you understand? Sariri, my bed. Qalami, my pen. Hadha baiti, this is my house. Baiti, my house. Amam al-masjid is in front of the mosque. We have learned this previously. Baiti jamilun, my house is beautiful. Fihi, in it. Hadiqatun sagiratun is a small garden. In it, there is a small orchard or small garden. So fihi, in it, meaning fi baiti, in it. Instead of repetition of bait, I would have said fi baiti, in my house. There's no need. To avoid repetition, you simply bring this pronoun he, which means fihi, in it. Hadhihi ghurfati, this is my room. Ghurfati, fiha, in it. Now I do not say fihi because ghurfatun is a feminine word. Therefore, it ends with ta marbut. Therefore, the pronoun using representing it should also be a feminine pronoun. That's why we say fiha, not fihi. When we're talking about baytun, we use fihi because baytun is a masculine word. So fiha nafidatun kabiratun. In it is a big window. Wa mirwahatun jamilatun, and a beautiful fan. Hadha sariri, this is my bed. Wa hadha kursiyi, and this is my chair. Wa hadha maktabi, and this is my table. Sa'ati, my watch. Wa qalami, and my pen. Wa kitabi, and my book. Alal maktabi is on the table. Sa'ati wa qalami wa kitabi alal maktabi. My pen, my watch, my pen, and my book are on the table. وحكيبتي and my bag تحت المكتب is under the table. نافذة غرفتي my room window مفتوحة is opened. هذه غرفة أخي this is my brother's room. أخي غرفة أخي my brother's room. وتلك غرفة أختي and that is my sister's room. We can see even the demonstrative pronoun we are using here, هذه and tilka, they also go in concord in agreement with the words they are pointing to. غرفة أخي, my brother's room, كبيرة is big. وغرفة أختي صغيرة, and my sister's room is small. غرفة أخي أمام غرفتي, my brother's room is in front of my room. وغرفة أختي أمام المطبخ, and my sister's room is in front of the kitchen. لي أخ, I have a brother. لي أخ واحد, I have one brother. اسمه أسامة, his name is Usama. ولي أخت واحدة, and I have a sister. اسمها, her name. You can see the attack pronoun. When we're talking about the Usama, we said ismuhu, his name. Now we say ismuha, her name. Su'ad is Su'ad. Abi wa ummi, my father, my mother, fi tilkal ghurfatil kabirati, are in that big room. Ana uhibbu ummi wa abi. Ana uhibbu abi wa ummi. I love my father and my mother. I love my father and my mother. Wa uhibbu akhi wa ukhti, and I love my brother and my sister. Tamarin. Now let's move on to exercises. These exercises are not much. Let's quickly solve them together. Number one, the instruction says, Iqra, walk to read and write. 1. Man fi hadha al-bayt, who is in this house? Fihi, in it. Hamidun, in it is Hamid. Hamid is in it. We can see fihi over there underlined. Number 2, we have madha fil hakibati. What is in the bag? Fiha, because the pronoun is now returning back to the hakibatu, we say fiha. Hakibatu is a feminine word, it ends with taw marbut. We can see kitabi fiha, in it is kitabi wa qalami wa daftari. In it are my book, my pen, and my notes book, exercise book. Number 3, man fi sayyarati, who is in the car? Fiha, in it. Abi is my father, wa ummi, my mother, wa akhi, my brother, wa ukhti, and my sister. Number 4, we have man fi masjid al-jami'ati al-an, who is in the congregational mosque, or who is in the Jami'ah mosque, that is the mosque, the Jummah prayer mosque. Al-ana, now. Ma fihi ahadun, no one is in it. Ma fihi ahadun. Number 5, we have man fi hadhihi al-ghurfati, who is in this room. Fiha al-mudir, the principal is in it. Exercise number 2, Iqra, read also. 1. Uhibbu abi wa ummi, I love my father and my mother. 2. Uhibbu akhi wa ukhti, I love my brother and my sister. 3. Uhibbu zamili, I love my partner. 4. Uhibbu ustadhi, I love my teacher. 5. Uhibbu Allah, I love Allah. We can see when we have Allah, we say Allah, we say Allah, because it is coming as the maf'ulun bihi, as the object of this sentence, and that is the name of our Creator subhanahu wa ta'ala. So we say Uhibbullah. But when we have ustadi, because the personal pronoun is there, or the attack pronoun here for the speaker is there, we do not say ustadiya. We simply say ustazi, but Uhibbullah. Then number 6, Uhibbun nabiyya. The fatha should show Uhibbun nabiyya sallallahu. I love the Prophet sallallahu alayhi wasallam. And lastly, Uhibbul lughatal arabiyyata. I love the Arabic language. With this, we come to the end of this lesson. It is very concise. It is good for you to resolve all of the exercises and read where you're asked to read and write where you're asked to write. This will better your speaking and your writing skills. We ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to grant us better understanding of these lessons. Do make sure you like, share, and give your comment in the comment section. Subscribe to our channel to get frequent updates on our different playlists. Until we meet again, I simply say Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.